In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Submagic AI, a cloud-based video creation and editing platform that leverages artificial intelligence to help users produce short, engaging videos, captions, and other content quickly and with minimal manual effort. Submagic has been gaining attention, especially among social media creators, YouTubers, and marketers who need to churn out a lot of short-form content like Reels, Shorts, and TikToks. And I wanted to put it through its paces to see if it lives up to the hype and what you should realistically expect if you're thinking about using it. I've spent time working with the platform, testing its key features, and reading through user experiences so I can give you a well-rounded perspective. One of the first things you'll notice about Submagic is how easy it is to get started. The interface is web-based, so there's nothing to install, and most creators report that you can navigate around fairly quickly, even if you're new to video editing tools. Submagic is built around automating repetitive tasks like generating captions, trimming silences, adding zooms or transitions, and creating B-roll and hooks that are designed to increase viewer retention, all with AI assistance. The core appeal is that it saves you time. Instead of spending hours editing and captioning each clip manually, you can upload your video and let the tool take care of a lot of the heavy lifting. Those features are especially useful if you regularly produce content at scale and need solid, quick results without too much fuss. When it comes to pricing, Submagic uses a tiered subscription model that starts at around $19 per month for basic creators and goes up to business or team plans with more advanced capabilities and higher video limits. At the lower tier, you get core features like auto captions, basic B-roll, export in 1080p, and a reasonable number of clips per month. Higher plans unlock extras like premium caption templates, trend-aware hooks, clean audio tools, global translations, 4K export, brand kits, and collaboration tools. There's even a Magic Clips add-on that lets you generate unlimited short clips from longer videos, which some creators find valuable, though it does add to the overall cost. In practice, Submagic does deliver on many of its promises. Many creators report that the captions are highly accurate, the AI-generated hooks can help improve engagement, and the automatic trimming and transitions take a lot of manual work off your plate. For beginners or those pressed for time, these features can make a real difference in workflow. That said, the experience isn't perfect for everyone. Some users find that the edits can feel a bit generic and sometimes need manual tweaking, especially when it comes to timing or where cuts are made. Others have mentioned that exports can occasionally glitch or lag, and while many report smooth functioning, there are reviews pointing to occasional instability or customer support delays. Another aspect worth noting is that while Submagic is strong for short-form edits and repurposing content, it might not replace a full-featured editor if you need advanced control or very specific stylistic outcomes. Some creators compare it to other tools and feel alternatives may offer better overall results for certain tasks, particularly when the budget matters or if you prefer more customization. Overall, Submagic AI is a solid tool for creators who want quick, automated editing and captioning for short videos without needing a lot of manual effort. It shines in speeding up workflows and helping you push out more content efficiently, though it may require some hands-on refinement depending on your expectations and quality standards. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Submagic AI or are considering switching to it. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.